Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of paying your tuition online using Nelnet. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make your payment easy and hassle-free. Step 1. Access the Nelnet portal. Begin by visiting the official Nelnet website. You can do this by typing www.nelnet.com into your web browser's address bar. Step 2. Log in to your account. Once on the Nelnet homepage, click the Login button located in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. Step 3. Navigate to the Payment section. After logging in, look for the Payment option on your dashboard. This is typically found in the main menu or under the Student Accounts section. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Select your payment method. You will see various payment options, such as bank transfer, ACH, credit, or debit card. Choose the method that best suits you. Be sure to have your payment information handy. Step 5. Enter payment details. Fill in the necessary transaction details. If you're using a bank account, provide your account number and routing number. For credit or debit card payments, enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 6. Review your payment. Before finalizing your payment, review all the entered information to ensure accuracy. Double-check the amounts and account details to avoid any errors. Step 7. Confirm your payment. Once you are satisfied with the information provided, click on the Submit button to process your payment. You will receive a confirmation notification on the screen, and an email confirmation will also be sent to you shortly after. Step 8. Keep records. It's always a good idea to keep a record of your payment. So save the confirmation email and take a screenshot of the confirmation for your records. That's it. You've successfully made your tuition payment through Nelnet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.